Good day, everybody. I've got this wireless lavalier microphone here for an unboxing and review. Here's everything that comes with it. Got the case here, got some attachments. Check this out. So it's got the directions and the charging cord too to charge it up. Just plug it in right there. Look at this. It has two different microphones and then the attachment here for the phone. So this is going to go into your phone. First thing I'm going to do is go hook this up to the charger just to make sure we've got full power. You see that 95 there? This is because it's charging, and that's the power percentage of the charging case. So we call that there the indicator, and then the power button is over here on the left. That's the power button, and then right below that, that's the noise canceling button. And then of course that's the built-in microphone, and the charging port is down here, and the clip. So that was kind of the overview of the transmitter. Now this is the receiver here, so this is going to go into your phone. This plugs in right down there. One of the nice things about this too is you can plug your phone in and charge it up while you're recording too. So you just plug that in right there and it'll feed power to your phone. Okay, quick rundown on these lights here. So when these lights are blinking red and white alternatively, that means they're not paired. If it's solid white, that means these two are paired up successfully. If it blinks red, it's got a low battery. If it's solid red, it's charging. And then when the red lights are off, it means it's fully charged. And solid red means it's on mute. Solid orange means the reverb mode is on. And solid green means the noise canceling mode is on. Now for the receiver, when it blinks red and white alternately, the transmitter and the receiver are not paired. If it's solid white, again, they're paired. So if this thing's off and you want to turn it on, you just hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now if you want to go turn on the reverb mode, under normal mode, click the transmitter's power button and the indicator turns yellow. Okay, got this paired up, so we're going to go ahead and do a little recording. Okay, I'm talking right into the microphone, got it clipped to my shirt, and this Teao is the charging box microphone's manufacturer. Just doing a little talking here just to capture some of the vocal recording on this. This is now in noise canceling mode, so all I did was turn that on. Right now it's back to normal mode. You want to turn the noise canceling on, it'll turn green. There we go. This is in noise canceling mode. I'll be using this microphone a lot. Let's go ahead and turn this one on. Just held that for 3 seconds, and I'll go ahead and put this one, and it's paired up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 microphones on. This is kind of nice too. You can put something, set it next to something else if you want to record that and your voice as well to capture the sound from whatever you're doing. I almost forgot about these attachments here, so we'll go ahead and put this on the end of that and see if we can tell the difference. I want to add too that these things are, you can listen to the audio on this if you have some headphones on. So you can incorporate your headphones and actually listen to the audio that's being recorded through these microphones. That's another nice feature. As you can see, these microphones are really sensitive. They work great. I love the noise canceling mode. I highly recommend these things.